Today is November 2nd, 2018. I'm getting ready to go out of town to finish up doing my contract handyman work. I'm getting my workout on. I'm not worried about no birthday or nothing. I'm worried about that money. I'm worried about that money, pay them bills. Y'all subscribe to all my videos, like my video, comment, view my videos, look for it on YouTube. Jake Locksmith, Services.Jacksonville, Florida. I'm making some good fun videos, trying to anyway, Thanksgiving month right here in November 2018. I'll be back December 2018 when I finish my contract work, okay? Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. That's my bicycle over there, you know what I'm saying? Getting ready to head out of town. Y'all heard me? November the 2nd, 2018. This for you too, Chris, my boy in New York. Over there on, whatever that is, island you're on over there, Long Island. Getting the workout on, boy. Freeport, New York, my boy Chris over there. This for you and your wife. Tell her here, y'all here go Jake in action, in person. My little boxer right here. Time for me to roll, bro. Time for me to roll. Now I gotta go out of town. Time for me to roll.
Might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't
Right, don't worry, be happy. November the 2nd, 2018.
be happy.
My birthday month, my Thanksgiving month. On my way out of town to make that money though.